Okay, let's have a look about the DSE question, and this time we'll have a look change of subject this topic. So let's choose some sample paper, practice paper, and the public exam question in DSE. Now have a look. This question comes from the sample paper. Make B the subject of the formula. Okay, this is the expression, and you found that there are two b's in this expression. So when we expand, simplify, we need to group b at one side. So let's start. 8 times b plus 7 equals a plus b. So first expand this part, and ab plus 7b equals a plus b. And remember to group b all together. Sorry, this one should be 7a. Yeah. So now here b. So we group it together. So ab plus 7a and then minus b on both sides. So minus b on both sides, then no more b on right hand side. Then ab minus b, both sides minus a, so a minus 7a. Right, now we need to factorize. That means pick up the common factor b, so b times a minus 1. Then this one simplify, a minus 7a, so negative 6a. At the end, b as a subject, so both sides divided by a minus 1. Right? And this is the result. b equals negative 6a over a minus 1. Or you can write as b equals 6a over 1 minus a. Both correct. Both correct. Okay? So let's have a look one more example. This one comes from the practice paper. Make a the subject of the formula. And this time we only find a here. So maybe this one a little bit easier. 5 plus b over 1 minus a, then equals 3b. What is the first step? 5 plus b over 1 minus a, then both sides times 1 minus a. Okay? Remember, both sides do the same operation. Now here, 5 plus b equals 3b times 1 minus a. Now here we can expand it. So 3b minus a times 3b, right? So that means 3ab. And you need to make a as a subject. So 5 plus b minus 3b. Here negative 3ab, right? So a is a subject, so a over negative 3ab, both sides divided by negative 3b. Okay, so 5 minus 2b over negative 3b. At the end, here is a, right? So 5 minus 2b over negative 3b. Maybe you can pick up the negative 1 as a factor, so 2b minus b and minus 5 over 3b as the answer. Okay, you can write as a equals 5 over 2b, 5 minus 2b over negative 3b, or 2b minus 5 over 3b. Both correct. Both correct. Okay. Now let's have a look. Actually, near each year we'll have one question about the changing subjects. So I just chose DSE 2016 this year. Make x the subject of the formula. Okay, and you found that 1x, 2x here. So let's start. Remember, copy the question first. Okay? Then next, you need to expand this part. So 4xc plus bc, right? Group all together x. So it becomes this one. And here we have the common factor x. So x times a minus 4c, right? And this one easy. X equals bc over a minus 4c. This is the answer. Make x the subject of the formula. Understand? Okay, let's have a look one more. Okay, make y the subject of the formula. K equals 3x minus y. This time is a fraction problem again. You see, 2016, just simply expand and then choose the common factor and finally make x the subject of the formula. And 2017, this time, formula as a fraction expression and make y. You see there are 2y here. Both sides times y, right? Okay, then group all together. Ky plus y equals 3x. Now we have a common factor y. Choose the y, okay, times k plus 1. So finally, y equals 3x over k plus 1. This is the answer. Okay, so hope you remember and understand how to change the subject, how to make a certain unknown, maybe like this, make y the subject of the formula. Okay, make x the subject of the formula. Okay.